How to change your Roblox avatar size. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then, simply click on Avatar. After that, in Avatar, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Head and Body. Then, click on Scale. In Scale, you will find these options to simply decrease or increase body type. Make sure you choose R15 and then you can select height, width, head, and proportions. In this way, you will be able to change avatar size. And this is how to change Roblox avatar size. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.